Welcome to Pharma Bengali. Broadcast Engineering Consultants India Limited recruiting medical staff. Vacancy advertisement number 97. Remember the advertisement number. You have to select the vacancy advertisement number during online registration. Applications are invited for recruitment of following manpower purely on contract basis for deployment in the office of All India Institute of Medical Science, AIIMS, Kollani, West Bengal. That means they are recruiting for AIIMS, Kollani. So post number 1, storekeeper cum clerk. Number of post 3, graduate from a recognized university with 1 year experience in handling stores. Desirable postgraduate, diploma in material management from a recognized institute. Age limit 30 years. Monthly remuneration 23,100. Serial number 2, pharmacist. Number of post 2, diploma in pharmacy from a recognized institute or board. Should be registered pharmacist under the Pharmacy Act 1948. Desirable, degree in pharmacy from a recognized institution or university. Experience in dispensing and or storage and dispensing of drug in a reputed hospital or institution or in a drugstore or a pharmaceutical concern. Age limit between 18 to 30 years. Relaxable for the employees of AIIMS up to 40 years. Monthly remuneration 26,100. Selection process will be only interview or written plus interview. It will based on the number of application received by the authority. Upper division clerk, data entry operator, 36 post, 12th standard pass or equivalent. Gas steward, 12th standard science with 7 years experience in medical gas pipeline system in a 200 bedded government hospital. Medical record technician, essential 12th pass, preferably in science or equivalent from a recognized board or universities. Certificate in medical records, etc. Laboratory technician, degree in science from a recognized university or 12th pass with science or equivalent from a recognized university institution. Diploma in medical laboratory techniques from a recognized institute and 1 year experience in medical laboratory. Librarian grade 3, essential BSc degree or equivalent from a recognized university and bachelor's degree or equivalent in library science from a recognized university or institute. Selection will be made as per the prescribed norms and requirement of the job. No TADA will be paid for attending the test, written exam, interview, joining the duty on selection. Application must be submitted online only for the above post. For applying, please visit BECIL website. For applying, please open the description box for the link. So, how to apply? Step 1, select advertisement number, enter basic details. Step 3, enter education details, work experience. Step 4, upload scanned photo, signature, birth certificate or 10th certificate, caste certificate. Step 5, application preview or modify. Step 6, payment online mode via credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI, etc. Step 7, email your scanned documents to the email ID mentioned in the last page of application form. So what is the last date for submission of application form? The last date is 18th December 2021. Category wise registration and application processing is given below.